Hello everyone, this is my review of the Fujifilm Insta 7 Plus. This is a fun little camera that you can give your kids to play with to take instant photos. That once they take the photos, they will instantly pop out on the top, and they can see the photo being developed right before their eyes. Be turned on by just pulling out the camera area. Back here is where you enter your cartridge of films. You have to buy separate film packets to put in there. We're out right now, so I can't show you those. But when it takes the picture, it pops up right on top there. It comes out, and you just have to wait a couple minutes for it to develop. In here is the batteries. Take 4 AA batteries. But my niece does love playing with this camera. She likes taking instant pictures, and I hope this review helps.